Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 5 different ways that you could poke with your slime, okay? So here, I just made the blindfolded challenge. So here's one way. So you could poke with your slime with the pinky without. With only 3 fingers. It could be straight or like that. Like that. That's one. Next one could be like you're zooming in with these 4 fingers. Like, if you guys have seen Just Amira, her mom does that. So yeah. So my third one is like poking with 2 fingers straight. Like leaving it for a long time like this. And my 4th one is like doing with these 4 fingers. Like that. So, and the other one is you could do it with 5 fingers. So yeah, that's all 5 ways that you could poke with slime. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment below if you guys have learned some. Share with friends and family. Bye, love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye. Love you.